Today we have a big, beautiful bungalow just for you. Right here at 27 Spruce Boulevard, right here in Acton. People ask me why Acton, and I always say that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Multiple grocery stores, takeout restaurants, sit-down restaurants, pubs, shopping, and so much more. And the best part, it's great for commuters. You're 18 minutes to the 401, 10 minutes to Georgetown, an hour to downtown Toronto, and only 40 minutes to Pearson Airport. Now let's zero in on this neighborhood. You'll find it's one of the best family-friendly neighborhoods in all of Acton. Mature trees, quiet, insulated from the main drag, and then of course you hit this bungalow. The curb appeal is absolutely fantastic. Solid brick bungalow, double garage, high enough for your own hoist, brand new asphalt driveway, and of course this interlocking stone leading right up to the stone steps and around back, which is a treat I'm going to show you in a minute. As soon as you step inside, you'll see we have a bright and sunny 1,400 square foot bungalow. We have 3 bedrooms up with 2 washrooms, and down we have full finished space with a bedroom, washroom, and full kitchen for anybody out there looking for an in-law suite. The beauty about this bungalow is it can fit a full family or somebody looking to retire all on one level. Use 1 bedroom as an office, 1 as a guest bedroom, and you have that master suite that's just for you. At the front of the house, a feature that I really appreciate is this beautiful flex space. You can use it as a secondary living room for a little bit more privacy or a full dining room. But when you walk into the back of the house, you'll realize you're in the heart of the home, and this is a great open space. Kitchen with plenty of cabinetry, breakfast bar, followed by this oversized dinette. If it were me, I would use this for my full-time dining table. And then of course, the living room with cozy gas fireplace, tons of windows for natural light, but this is a space that has direct access to the backyard. Remember when I told you you're in for a treat? This is it. Open that slider, head down those stone steps to that beautiful backyard. Once again, that interlocking stone from the front carries all the way to the back patio, where you have a fully fenced yard, cedar trees for privacy, hot tub, gazebo, fire pit, and plenty of storage. This is a backyard where you can entertain all year long. The layout's very functional. The bedrooms and the washrooms are on the opposite side of the home, which gives you tons of privacy. And you have this oversized primary bedroom, double closets, and beautiful ensuite. You'll love the basement. It adds so much space. It's brand new and looks fantastic. Plank vinyl flooring, pot lights, full 4-piece washroom, and my favorite, the in-law suite with bedroom, kitchen, and your very own living space. I love the idea of this. You can shut that door. In-laws can have their own space while the upstairs still has access to that beautiful rec room. This is perfect for anybody that wants to come together and live under the same roof as a family. Location, curb appeal, backyard, basement, what more could you ask for? Guys, if you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.